Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change your profile picture for your Bitget exchange account. Now let us begin. Do you note that I have already logged into my account? And if you don't know how to, worry not, we have also created a tutorial regarding that. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on the profile icon at the top right next to the search button. Click on it right now. Once you do, this thing will open up. From here, directly click on your profile picture right here, click on it, and as such you will be redirected to the user dashboard, and right here you can see there are multiple options. But right now what you need to do is simply focus on this section called as My Profile. Right here at the rightmost section you can see the My Profile button, click on it, and guys, that is it. From here you can change your display name, username, and also look at your info. But for now, I'm simply gonna look at how to change my profile picture. Right here is the profile picture. I'm simply gonna click on the change button that is associated with it. Once you do that, all you guys have to do is select a photo. Let's say I select this one right here and simply hit on open. And guys, this is it. From here, you simply have to crop it out. As you can see, I'm doing it right now. And once everything's okay, simply click on confirm. Well guys, once you have submitted your profile picture, it will go for review. And once it's okay, your profile picture will have been updated. That is it guys. That's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.